Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube video showing how to use an Rsim on any iPhone or any carrier. As you might know, Rsim 12 does not work on iOS 12.3.1. So today I'll be showing you how to get it working. There are a couple steps, so let's get to it. We do have an iPhone 10 that is like to T-Mobile. As you can see, I put an at&t SIM card and it says SIM not supported. So we're gonna be using Rsim 12. Make sure the Rsim fits perfectly in the SIM tray. Just put whatever SIM card you want to be using on top of it and just put them both of them into the SIM slot. Of course, it will take us to the activation process. Just follow up on the screen, put in your passcode if you have any passcode. For the iPhone X and above, just hit the side button and the volume down to access the emergency call and dial the code. As you can see, it is not working on 12.3.1 as Apple has patched. So what's the solution? If you're not aware, what we need to do now is we're gonna have to update the iPhone to the latest iOS. As of right now is 12.4. So let's update it and we'll be back to it. I had to skip this part so you guys don't have to wait. So it's verifying the update and it's going to install it. You can forward this step, just updating the phone. Remember this process, I'm using an Rsim 12, not Rsim 13, not Rsim 14, it's Rsim 12. Okay, let's try the code again, or not the code, but the command. As you can see, it's already updated to 12.4. Let's try it. We just dial star 500 star 7672 star 0 and pound, but it still will not work on iOS 12.4. So what do we do now? This is the solution. So the solution, guys, is you need to find another iPhone that is on 12.1 or lower. If it is on 12.2 or higher, or even 12.4.1 or higher, the command will not work. So you need to find a device that has 12.1 or lower for the command to work. As you can see, I have a 7 Plus, an iPhone 7 Plus that is on 12.1. So what I did is I just put in my Rsim with whatever SIM card that is not compatible, and you just put in the ICCID. This code that I'm putting right now, it might get blocked in a couple days, but feel free to try it. Just hit send and accept. Now we're done with this iPhone. Just remove the Rsim and whatever SIM card you want to be using and put it on the other phone. So I just switch it to the iPhone X. I put in the Rsim. Of course, it's going to take us to the activation screen. Excuse me. So now I'm going to be using a Cricket SIM card, at&t. I was using it earlier. It's not in service. So I'm gonna put a Cricket SIM card that is in service, of course, on top of the Rsim 12. So since I already programmed the Rsim in another device that has a lower iOS, it's already programmed. All I need to do is put in my Cricket SIM card on top of the Rsim and put it in the new iPhone that I wanted to unlock. Let's say a couple days later, whatever, Apple blocked the ICCID and you want to use a different SIM card other than the one you used to set up the phone, it would not work. So you would need to find a different or a new ICCID and you do the same thing. So let's see how it goes. Give it a couple seconds or so. And yeah, as you can see, it bypassed the SIM not supported. And right there it says Cricket. So Rsim 12 successfully working on 12.4, which is the latest iOS. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.
Welcome to Cricket Wireless. In order to continually improve our service,
Have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye-bye now.